Ashanti resistance. The Ashanti Empire was a West African state that was located mostly in modern-day Ghana. The Ashanti Empire was incredibly powerful because of their large amount of resources like gold. Ashanti had also built a very strong army because of all the smaller nations or chiefdoms had been united under the Ashanti Union. This union created the most powerful military force on Africa's west coast. Due to the growing wealth of the Ashanti Empire under the Ashanti Union, their empire became a target for the British Empire. Between 1823 and 1873, the Ashanti Empire fought back against British invasion into their territory. By 1874, British forces successfully invaded the empire and briefly captured Kumasi, the capital. Through tough fighting, native Ashanti forces were able to kick out the British and regained control of the city. The Ashanti continued to rebel against the British invasions, and they ruled until the empire was again conquered in 1896. After yet another uprising in 1900, the British exiled the Ashanti, the king/leader, and annexed the empire into their Gold Coast colony in 1902. Exiled means to force to leave or ban from an area. So if a leader gets exiled, they kind of kick you out and make sure you don't come back. And then annexing means to absorb or add something to your own territory. So some things to point out. The British, the most powerful nation in the world at that time, tried invading in 1823 and basically had some success by 1874 by capturing the capital of the Ashanti Empire. But still, the Ashanti forces were able to kick them out and continue to fight against the British invasion because of their strong leadership. And they, kept fighting up until 1900. The British were able to strategically get rid of just the leader. And once they were without a leader, they were finally able to get them into the British Empire by 1902.